$2,000, $3,000. With that money, you're not buying a budget gadget. Here, you're buying a machine that's supposed to replace your lawnmower, your lawn service, entire Saturday morning routine forever. The ECOVACS GOAT A3000 and the Lymow One Plus are two of the most advanced robot mowers you can buy right now. Both are wire-free, both use AI, and both claim they can handle your most challenging yard, but they were built with completely different designs and the differences run deep. So, which one wins? That depends entirely on your yard. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Let's get into it. Navigation is where these two mowers split most dramatically, and it matters for your real-world experience every single day. With the Holoscope 360 dual LiDAR navigation, GOAT A3000 rotates 360 degrees. On the top of this, it has forward-facing 3D time-of-flight LiDAR with an AI camera on the front. Together, they build a continuous real-time 3D holographic map of your entire yard with 2 cm navigation precision. The GOAT A3000 also has an onboard control panel, so you can operate it without your phone when needed. The Lymow One Plus uses a hybrid of high-precision RTK satellite positioning and VSLAM, visual simultaneous localization and mapping. RTK gives you centimeter-level GPS accuracy for consistent boundary tracking. VSLAM uses the onboard camera to build a visual map of the environment, compensating in areas where satellite signals dip. RTK systems require placing a reference station in your yard. That's a minor extra setup step compared to the GOAT's pure LiDAR approach. It's not a deal breaker, but it is one more thing. ECOVACS GOAT A3000 on navigation simplicity and low light/tree canopy performance. Lymow One Plus holds its own in open yards but has the extra RTK setup step. This is the category where the Lymow One Plus genuinely shocks people because it is nothing like a typical robot mower blade system. The GOAT uses a dual-blade cutting system powered by a 32-volt motor delivering up to 400 watts of cutting power. Its 13-inch cutting width covers ground at up to 400 square meters per hour. On top of that, the U-shaped path planning algorithm is designed to minimize overlaps and turns, boosting mowing efficiency by up to 30% compared to traditional random pattern robots. What makes the GOAT unique in this comparison is its built-in true-edge trimmer. It's a first-of-its-kind feature that lets the mower trim to nearly 0 millimeters from walls, fences, and hedges automatically. No separate trimmer pass required, no manual cleanup along edges. This alone is a significant time saver for any yard with defined borders. On the other hand, Lymow One Plus uses something completely different. 2 full SK5 tool steel rotary blades, the kind of blades you'd find on a riding mower, not a robot. It hits 1,785 watts of peak power spinning blades at up to 6,000 revolutions per minute. The 16-inch cutting width is the widest in this comparison, covering more ground per pass. As for battery, the 15,000 mAh lithium iron phosphate is rated for over 2,000 charge cycles. That's years of daily mowing before the battery degrades meaningfully. Overall, Lymow One Plus on raw cutting power, grass type versatility, and cutting width. Meanwhile, ECOVACS GOAT A3000 on edge, finishing with the built-in true-edge trimmer. If your yard has hills, this section might make your decision for you. The GOAT A3000 handle slopes up to 50% grade, that's 27 degrees. It also crosses obstacles up to 4 centimeters high, like garden borders and path edges. For most residential yards with moderate inclines, this GOAT performs well. Its wheel system is well suited to even terrain and gentle slopes. However, Lymow operates in a completely different category for terrain. Its heavy-duty tank-style track drive system handles slopes up to 45 degrees 100% grade, which is the highest slope rating of any consumer robot mower currently available. It crosses obstacles up to 2.8 inches high, which include roots, gravel, branches, and stone paths. This isn't just a spec sheet claim. If your yard has rolling hills, undefined edges, mole mounds, or serious inclines, this is the mower built for it. Here, Lymow One Plus is on the edge. And it isn't close. Its track drive plus 45-degree slope capability is in a league of its own. Both mowers detect over 200 obstacle types, but the technology behind that detection is different. For A3000, its AIVI 3D system combines a 360-degree fisheye camera with AI-powered deep learning algorithms and front-facing 3D TOF LiDAR. So it can stop within 1.97 inches of an obstacle, and that's extremely close-range detection. The continuous LiDAR scan means it's reading its environment in real time, 360 degrees around the mower, constantly. Besides, Lymow uses a combination of AI vision, ultrasonic sensors, and its upgraded 10 TOPS processor. And that tech recognizes 25 specific object categories, including flower beds, bicycles, sprinklers, hedgehogs, and people. Plus, its camera lens heater ensures reliable detection in cold, foggy, or dewy morning conditions when most cameras struggle. So here, GOAT A3000 has a slight edge. It got close-range precision with 360-degree real-time LiDAR scanning. But Lymow One Plus also adds a practical lens heater, which is an advantage for cold weather users. Coverage is where the Lymow One Plus pulls decisively ahead, but there's important context. The ECOVACS GOAT A3000 is rated for up to 3/4 acre. With its 45-minute fast charging and 400 square meters per hour mowing speed, it can maintain lawns in that range comfortably with scheduled mowing. And Lymow, with its 10A fast charger, covers up to 1.73 acres per day. So, on a single battery charge, it can mow approximately half an acre. That makes it a legitimate replacement for a riding mower on larger residential properties, something almost no other robot mower can claim. So, if your yard is over 3/4 acre, then you should go for Lymow One Plus. And if it's under 3/4 acre, then you can go for ECOVACS GOAT A3000 with faster charging convenience. Setup experience is very different between these two mowers. Here, ECOVACS GOAT wins on pure setup simplicity. With LiDAR-based mapping, you don't need any RTK antenna to place. Press start and the mower maps your yard automatically in about 1 minute of initial configuration. Plus, ECOVACS app lets you manage zones, set no-go areas, schedule mowing, adjust cutting height, and customize mowing speed per zone. On the other hand, Lymow requires placing the RTK reference station before mapping. It's a minor extra step, but worth knowing about. Once done, the app supports up to 80 zones with individual schedules, cutting heights, and mowing patterns per zone. For large or complex multi-section properties, 80 zones is exceptional flexibility. Both mowers auto-return to dock on low battery or rain detection and resume from where they left off. Both support over-the-air firmware updates. Therefore, you can consider ECOVACS GOAT A3000 for easier first-time setup, and Lymow One Plus for advanced zone customization on complex large properties. Both mowers sit in the same premium price tier, but they offer different value propositions. The ECOVACS GOAT A3000 runs from approximately $2,100 on sale up to $3,000 at full retail. For that money, you get the most advanced navigation in its class, with a unique built-in true-edge trimmer and a 1-minute setup. Also, ECOVACS is a well-established global brand with a proven support infrastructure. And Lymow One Plus starts at $2,999 for the 5A version and $3,199 for the 10A fast charge version. For that money, you get unmatched terrain capability, the most powerful cutting system in the consumer robot mower category, and coverage that scales to nearly 2 acres per day. However, Lymow is a newer brand, so less established support history worth factoring in for a $3,000 purchase. If both mowers are within your budget, the decision comes down entirely to your yard, not the price tag. So here is the verdict. The ECOVACS GOAT A3000 is the smarter, more refined mower for typical residential use. It got impressive navigation with dual LiDAR, and its true-edge trimmer is a category-first feature that solves a real problem. If your yard is under about 3/4 of an acre and has fences, borders, or well-defined edges, that's where the ECOVACS GOAT makes the most sense. Whereas the Lymow One Plus is built for people whose yards would break other robot mowers. It's heavier, more powerful, more capable on terrain. So if you need to mow more than an acre on a regular basis, that's where its extra capacity really pays off. Overall, there's no bad choice here. Both are serious machines. The question is just which lawn they were built for. If this comparison helped you, drop a like and subscribe to get more videos on lawn mower. Comment below which one would you pick for your yard. See you in the next one.